What is ChatGPT? Introduction: method of uses, features, advantages, and benefits. Your host Dr. Naeem. Hello and welcome to Trend AI Today. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more exciting and informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology. Today, we are going to talk about something revolutionary in the world of AI: ChatGPT. What is it? How does it work? And why is it becoming so popular worldwide? Stay tuned till the end to find out. Introduction to ChatGPT. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we live, work, and communicate. One of the most fascinating innovations in AI is ChatGPT. But what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It is based on generative pre-trained transformer (GPT) technology, which allows it to understand and generate human-like text. It can answer questions, hold conversations, help with writing, and even assist in coding, education, and business tasks. Think of it as your virtual assistant, teacher, writer, and problem solver all in one. Method of using ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT is simple and does not require any technical skills. Here's how you can start using it. Number 1. Accessing ChatGPT. Visit OpenAI's website or any platform where ChatGPT is integrated. Number 2. Creating an account. If required, sign up using your email or social media account. Number 3. Entering your query. Type your question or request in the chat box. Number 4. Receiving a response. ChatGPT will generate an instant, human-like reply. Number 5. Refining your request. If needed, rephrase your question for more accurate responses. Number 6. Using it for different tasks. Whether it's writing, research, coding, or entertainment, you can use ChatGPT for various purposes. ChatGPT is available on web browsers, mobile apps, and even integrated into different software and services. Features of ChatGPT. Let's now discuss some of the most important features of ChatGPT. Number 1. Human-like conversations. It can chat just like a human, making interactions smooth and natural. Number 2. Multilingual support. It understands and responds in multiple languages. Number 3. Customizable responses. You can adjust the tone and style of responses. Number 4. Memory and context awareness. It remembers previous conversations to provide better responses. Number 5. Content generation. It can write blogs, reports, emails, and even scripts for videos like this one. Number 6. Integration with apps and tools. ChatGPT can be used in messaging apps, websites, and business applications. With all these features, it's no surprise that ChatGPT is gaining popularity worldwide. Advantages of ChatGPT. Why should you use ChatGPT? Here are some key advantages. Number 1. Saves time and effort. It provides instant responses, helping users complete tasks quickly. Number 2. Available 24/7. Unlike humans, ChatGPT never sleeps. It's always ready to assist. Helps professionals by handling repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Number 3. Accessible to everyone. From students to professionals, anyone can. Number 4. Cost-effective. Businesses save money by automating customer service and content creation. Number 5. Reduces workload. Use ChatGPT easily. Number 6. Improves productivity. Boosts efficiency in workplaces by assisting in planning and execution. Benefits of ChatGPT for the future. The future of AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT is bright. Here are some future benefits. Number 1. Advanced learning capabilities. ChatGPT will continue to evolve, providing even more accurate responses. Number 2. Better human-AI collaboration. It will enhance the way humans and AI work together. Number 3. Increased automation. More industries will benefit from AI-driven automation. Number 4. Smarter decision-making. AI will help in data analysis, predictions, and business strategies. AI is not here to replace humans, it is here to assist us, making our lives easier and more productive. So, is ChatGPT the future of AI? ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. From education to business and beyond, its impact is undeniable. The possibilities are endless, and we are just getting started. What do you think about ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trend AI today for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.